Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Genius No. Today I am going to show you how to fill text with an image in InDesign. Let's start. First you start InDesign and then create on text box. Type a text which text you want to fill up. And how many text you want to fill up. Go type option and click create outline, and then go to file, click place or control D and place picture which you want to fill and manage size. And then follow same step for all text. Repeat same process. You can also change your text size with your requirement. Thank you for watching my video.